Investors don't know when the next crash will come. They just know it will. The search is on for stocks that might be the places to be when the market's crack arrives. I'm Matt Krantz, and this is America's Markets. There are 9 stocks in the S&P 1500 index that have many of the characteristics that stocks tend to have that outperform, especially as the rest of the market overheats and peaks. These include tech stock Digi International, Monarch Casino and Resort, and apparel seller Christopher & Banks. Each of these stocks have small market values, $400 million or less, and trade for 50% valuation discounts to the average of the other stocks in the index. Academics show that top-performing stocks over the long haul tend to be the ones that carry valuations that are below the markets. These types of stocks, called value stocks, are the opposite of the high flyers that go parabolic during bull markets. Shares of smaller companies with market valuations well below average have also been demonstrated to be top performers. Combine these two traits and magic happens. Small value price stocks have gained 13.9% a year on average since 1931, says Index Fund Advisors. That beats every other major class of U.S. stocks. This is Matt Krantz at USA Today.